Surprise, surprise! Welcome back to my dad's YouTube channel, Lahori Badsha. Today I'm going to be taking over his channel. So let's get started. Stay tuned! Just to solve any confusion, I am my dad's younger daughter, Amara. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Today we're going to be making the TikTok Shawarma Supreme Crunch Wrap. So now we're adding these mixes, which will be listed in the description box down below. We're going to start by frying the chicken fillets. We've also added a little bit of some olive oil. Looks so good already and we haven't even started. Okay, now we have the chicken ready. You can see how delicious that looks, and we also have the salad there, all cut into fine pieces. And ooh, some delicious feta cheese is placed on that plate. I want to eat it already. Okay, now he's cutting the chicken into some pieces with a big fat knife. And yeah, now we're gonna add this Nando's peppery sauce on top of the tortilla. And also, we're gonna place all of the delicious shawarma chicken on top of the tortilla. Already looks so good. Now we're gonna add some cheese. Ooh, how cheesy. Now we're also gonna add some fries to make it to get a nice flavor. Now we're adding the secret ingredient, nachos. We're gonna add the nachos to give it the special crunch that you need in this tortilla. Now we're adding our last ingredient, which is salad. Stuff it all in there. Get your lettuce, get your tomatoes out, get your feta cheese, all of it. Put it in. Now we're also sprinkling feta cheese on top. Looking so good. Now we're gonna wrap it. So we're gonna fold each corner of the tortilla, and as it is really big, we're going to add another tortilla on top. Now we're gonna fold it as shown in the video. Okay, now we're going to let it set for a bit. Looking already so good. Okay, now you can see it is so crispy and golden brown. I want to eat it now. And look how cheesy. It's just a cheesy goodness. And now we're cutting into it. And look at all of those layers. It looks so yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for other recipes. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye.